behind the Southwest, so line up and wait to runway 27 behind JetBlue 212.
Southwest 272, arrived 53, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Over to ground, 1217 Southwest 272.
22126, wind is 070 degrees at 19 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Good for takeoff, runway 07, JetBlue 1. RNAV approach, runway 07.
Adam 982, nice to tower, continue approach, runway 07.
The approach.
2126, airborne 55, contact approach 120.8.
120.8, JetBlue 2126, good day.
Cleared to land runway 07, wind is 070 degrees and 21 knots.
Land runway 07, Air Canada 982 heavy. Good afternoon, November Juliet 5006.
Yankee Juliet, November Juliet, thanks to tower. Continue approach runway 07. And how do you read?
Continue flying for the left base.
November Juliet, Ackerman, how do you read? November Juliet, Ackerman, how do you read?
Radio 4.
Radio 4, go. The 982 arrived 02, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Hey Bravo 217, check remarks, Air Canada 82. Three will be ready upon reaching.
Thanks, Sir Tower, roger. Confirm, fully ready for departure.
Are ready for departure upon reaching for Avelo 903.
Roger.
Wind is 060 degrees at 21 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Cleared for takeoff, Avelo 903.
Juliet 4 miles 0 zone.
November Juliet, continue approach runway 07, releasing Boeing 737.
November Juliet.
November Juliet, clear to land runway 07, wind is 060 degrees at 18 knots.
Clear to land, copy with November Juliet.
So 903 airborne 10, contact approach 120.8.
Have a good one. Avelo Airlines.
November Juliet arrived 12, vacate via Delta, contact ground 121.7.
Delta ground 121.7, November Juliet.
The Tango arrived at 28, vacate runway via taxiway Delta, when clear contact ground 1217.
Delta 1017, Delta Tango.
It's 854 heavy, Sancta Tara, wind 070 at 12, clear to land runway 07.
Tower Southwest 292, just outside of Bolt for runway 7.
Southwest 292, Sancta Tara, roger, continue approach runway 07. Number 1 traffic is a mile and a half and final. We'll be releasing company traffic prior to arrival.
292.
1043 behind, arriving Boeing 78 heavy, line up and wait behind.
Behind the arriving Boeing, Southwest 1043.
Southwest 292, traffic, Cessna 206, same direction, traffic proceeding to left base runway 07, approximately 6 miles from the field at 1,500 feet. Report inside. 292, Sancta Tara.
2.
And copy the traffic info.
92.
Southwest 292, confirming copied Cessna traffic proceeding to left base runway 07, 6 miles from the field, 1,500 feet. North up the approach path runway 07.
Visual that traffic, Southwest 292.
Good afternoon, November Juliet, flying for left base 07.
November Juliet, Santa Clara, roger. Continue to left base runway 07. Traffic here following approximately 6.5 miles of Southwest Boeing 73 with 2,000 feet in descending. Remain north and clear, report traffic inside.
There was powder traffic inside, November Juliet.
Jet 854 heavy, arrive at 30, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha to expedite.
Surrounding, come to the 854.
S1043, airborne 32, contact the Sancta radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, good day, Southwest 1043.
Southwest 292, arrive at 33, vacate via high speed, when clear runway, contact ground 121.7.
292, Alpha Bravo, switch ground.
Two 3 Sancta Tower, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 080 at 11 knots.
Runway 78, 223.
40, Santa Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 at 12.
Runway 7, speed 240.
223, airborne 35, contact Santa departure, 120, decimal 8, good day.
208, thanks, United 223.
Canada 75, Santa Tower, decimal 8, runway 07.
On about wait, runway 07, American 975.
Vacate at high speed, arrive Dreamliner.
Hey, good fortune.
Santa Tower, clear medium takeoff, runway 07, wind 080 at 13.
American 975.
33 Santa Tower, confirm you're fully ready to go.
33 is fully ready.
Special 2433 Santa Tower, roger, line for wait, runway 07, expect a minute and a half delay for spacing.
Number wait 07 for now, wish 2433.
Canada 75, airborne 40, contact Santa radar, 120, decimal 8.
Good day, American 975.